The mentoring program is about the opportunity for the entrepreneurs to meet with their mentors every so often, about once a week, and discuss our ideas, allowing them to give input on our thoughts.
I think this is a great opportunity for me to have support through my journey, because we're going to be given structure and have someone to relay what we're learning about what we want to start up with an outsider's point of view, and someone who's already done it as well.
Out of this mentoring program, I expect just a partner in crime, someone to go on the adventure with. So just guidance, and if I have anything that's kind of like that needs querying, I can just ask my mentor and get the know-how and the steps where to go. So yeah, partner in crime.
Yeah, I think being involved in the mentoring program is really important, not just for the mentee, but also for the mentor, because it can help you think about how you convey ideas, it can develop your skills to be a better manager, but also maybe just challenge you in the general status quo.
So, as part of the Enterprise Bootcamp, every mentee gets assigned a mentor, and I think this is one of the most popular and important parts of the mentoring of the whole course.
And the reason I got involved is that Little Big community are very much involved in entrepreneurship and also especially responsible business. So we very much encourage young people to start up and innovate.
So I've just felt really supported so far. It's been really useful having Claire to kind of feedback from on various aspects. So for example, I sent across my business canvas, which I put together, and Claire gave me some really specific feedback on areas I should explore and other things I should consider. So that's been really kind of practical and hands-on advice, which is really useful.
We had our speed dating type session, and yeah, we were paired together. I liked him because he said he was naughty at school. And yeah, it was something that I could relate to and something that I was trying to address in my social enterprise. So yeah, it was good.
I instantly was struck by what she wanted to do in terms of reach out and inspire young people in school, etc. And I felt an immediate connection around that, and I felt she had some really interesting talents that I hoped I could help.
If it wasn't for this experience, I think I would be at the very first steps of my social enterprise. I wouldn't know where to go or what path to take. So I feel like this experience has really helped me put a sort of foot in stone and get out there and do what I need to do.
Tonight's event was really exciting. This is the third or the fourth one I've been in. Every single one, when you speak to every young person, you leave the room uplifted, full of new ideas, really excited to see what's going to happen. So I know that by the time we get to the end of the event in August, the pitch event, we'll hear lots of fascinating, exciting business concepts to do good in the world.
We are here with our pitching event for our social enterprise course we've been doing at Bootstrap.
15 competitors have come here to pitch their ideas. It's a dragon's den, and yeah, that's what we're here for.
The best thing for me about the Enterprise Bootcamp is being alongside other people who are also starting social enterprises, so that we can learn from each other, and you have a community of other people you can kind of learn together and fail together and work it out together.
I just won. I feel a bit overwhelmed, I'm a bit confused. I didn't expect it, but I'm happy. So yeah, I enjoyed everything about the course. My main thing was getting a mentor, a business mentor. He helped me so much with everything that I've done. And without him, I don't think I'd be where I am at the moment. I'd recommend it to everyone. I'm gonna send the flyer to all my friends.